Uppromote Affiliate Marketing Shopify tutorial. How to use Uppromote. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I would like to teach you guys how you will be able to use Uppromote, which is a promoting platform that you could find and access through Shopify. So how do you get Uppromote affiliate marketing on your Shopify? What you're going to do is you're going to look over here on the left side. You have a section called apps. You're simply going to select this. And as you can see, I already installed my Uppromote affiliate. But for you guys, what you're going to select is the all recommended apps. Clicking that will show us this pop-up over here. Simply scroll down to the bottom and select this Shopify App Store. By doing that, we will be redirected to this page over here where you will be able to find all sorts of apps that are specifically built for Shopify to improve your experience. And in this platform or in this search bar, we're simply going to type Uppromote and we will be able to see here the first option, which is the Uppromote Affiliate Marketing. So simply select this. To install it, click on Install, which is going to be the button on this section over here. Now, since I already installed mine, it's going to say Open. It has a lot of views or a lot of downloads and installs and a lot of reviews, and it has a really great rating right now, and as you can see. And these are the different pricing. You have a free to install, which is what we're going to be showing. We have a growth affiliate for $29.99 per month, for professional $90 per month, and enterprise $200 per month. So that's how you will be able to install Uppromote Affiliate Marketing. Now, after installing it, this is what your homepage should look like. Over here on the left side, under the apps that you have installed or clicked, it should also appear over here. So when you select apps, it will show us the Uppromote Affiliate. And this is their app over here. In the Uppromote Affiliate, there are different categories or different sections. You have programs, affiliate, referrals, payouts, motivations, and outreach, and many, many more. Over here on their homepage, you will be able to view an overview from today, the last 7 days, and the last 30 days. You will be able to see your affiliates, the amount of clicks, the amount of referrals, and the amount of sales that you will be able to get. You're also able to promote your registration form, which is when we view it, this is what it's going to look like in default or as default. As you can see, people will enter their username, last name, email, password, and confirmation password, and then simply clicking on join will allow users to join your affiliate program. And as you can see here, this is the benefits that they will be able to get. So basically, you are inviting people to join your affiliate program or your affiliate marketing. You are able to customize the appearance of your registration form. If you're unhappy with the appearance, as you can see here, you will be able to change information such as font, background, sidebars, and many other things, mainly appearance-wise only. You could also change and modify the thank you page, as you can see here. There isn't much you will be able to change with the information, but you will be able to change the appearance as well, or thankfully. Aside from that, we could go back here. You're also able to publish your registration form on their website or our own website. So if you click on publish over here, you will be redirected to another page. And as you can see, it's going to teach us how we will be able to publish our registration form on our store menu. So if you want to promote it right on your store or right on your Shopify store, just follow the link or follow the instructions available in the link. Now, aside from that, you can also get an affiliate or affiliate login. As you can see, login link, which you could log into. We could also check out the programs available under this. As you can see, we will be able to add a program if we have a plan, as you can see. So this is a feature available for the plans that we showed you earlier, the different plans available that you guys could get if you want. There's also a affiliate section over here. wherein you will be able to view and manage different affiliates that are who joined through your registration link. You will be able to import affiliates or add affiliates manually, as you can see here. If you already have affiliates from another source, you could also check out your referrals over here. You could add referrals similarly with how you could import it. There's also payouts available in this section, as you can see. You have motivations. You could manage coupons. You could add a media gallery. You could add gifts or even bonuses to your affiliates. And these are for, of course, adding motivation to your affiliates and adding motivation to them. So this is something they could really use. There's also outreach over here where you could add different things under affiliate recruitment, such as customer referral, multi-level marketing, and many, many more. Aside from that, we can also check out back over here in our homepage. Let's go back to our homepage. Different sections over here. You have programs as well. You could edit your program settings, as you can see here. You could modify the information being presented over here. You could change whether you want a different description, but this is what it's going to show right now. So aside from that, this is another thing that we could do as well, which is to add our option or add our link into their website or like their marketplace. So there should be a section over here that would allow us to view the marketplace of our Uppromote affiliate link over here. So if I'm right, it should be around the area. Let's check it out in chat with us. This one is for questions. If you are having issues with Uppromote affiliate, that is something you could check out as well. Let's view our section over here again. It's available. This is for registration. Somewhere around here, you will be able to find a section where it will mention a marketplace where you will be able to set up the different sections that you will be able to view, the different other options or different other promotions for the product. But anyway, it's somewhere around here. You could check out different information, more information about Uppromote. If you're still a bit confused on how they work, on what they are for, you could view the description under the Uppromote affiliate marketing over here. You could check out and read their different description over here so that you could understand how they work. Or you could also search Uppromote itself. Uppromote. And you will be able to see their actual website as well, which will allow you to know more information about them if you want to. This one's a bit more detailed compared to this section over here, and you will be able to understand and be able to get a better grasp on how it works. Oh, here it is. This is the marketplace, by the way, guys. Marketplace.uppromote.com. This is where you will be able to find other people, but you're going to have to log into your account. And anyway, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.